Man, whoever said turnip juice was an acquired taste is so wrong. I'm talking about this bad boy right here. This is the glorious turnip, and you need to get familiar with the benefits of the turnip juice, and you need to get familiar with it really fast. Guys, our bodies are electric, and they are designed to run off of live, healing nutrients in the form of enzymes, and we get that when we break the cell wall open, and we extract those glorious phytonutrients by juicing, baby. By juicing, we've all got to learn to get our juice on, and I'm telling you, the turnip is divine healing for the body. First, let me start by telling you 19 glorious benefits of the turnip, and then I'm going to get into some specifics and what it does and how it works. Turnip juice has high concentrations of nutrients that help fight the body from diseases like liver and bladder problems and rheumatoid arthritis. It has powerful antioxidants that reduce the risk of cancer, help the liver to process toxins, inhibit the growth of tumors, and finally, fight the side effects of carcinogens. How glorious is this information, guys? Drinking turnip juice daily is an effective way to lose weight and fight obesity, guys. We're rapidly going to lose weight when we get our juice on with things like the turnip. It reduces anemia, the high concentration of vitamin C, and it helps to clear the lungs and bronchial congestion and improve blood circulation. Turnip juice helps to remove body odor. This nutritious juice helps to remove kidney stones. Turnip juice helps lower bad cholesterol levels in the body, preventing heart attacks, strokes, blood clotting, and various heart diseases. Drinking turnip juice helps to calm your nerves. Hello. We all need some of that action. It strengthens bone and teeth. It's a good source of potassium and calcium. It prevents cataracts. Turnip juice acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. It helps cure asthma and can curb the symptoms of asthma. Guys, what is sickness and disease? It's a result of inflammation. And what reduces the inflammation? The glorious turnip juice does, guys. I am simply ecstatic about this information. Let me go on and on. It is good for maintaining the structure of capillaries, and it's rich in flavonoids. It reduces free radicals in the body. Guys, what's the aging process? Well, it's just free radicals gone awry. We've all got this abundance of free radicals from the toxins that we introduce into our divine body. And what eliminates that? What helps to eliminate that? Well, the turnip juice does. Turnip juice helps to maintain a good immune system, guys. It's an immune stimulant. It prevents colon tumors and colon cancer, and it helps proper functioning of the colon. Turnip juice helps in treating various skin problems. It treats acne. It also works as an effective immune stimulant, guys. I said that twice, but I felt like it needed to be said twice on that list of 19 things because it is an immune stimulant. Turnip juices are divine. They're part of the same family that comes from cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, etc. They're the same family. Guys, the greens are divine too. When we get the turnip, if you notice back here, I've got a little bit of green left on that one. This is the only way I could buy them. And if you can get it with the greens on there, you want to juice the greens too, because the greens are divine healing for the body, guys, but it wasn't available to me. You know, we need to start growing some of this ourselves, guys. We need to stop buying our produce. We need to start growing it. Let me go on with the benefits. I'm sorry, I get sidetracked. How they're good for the cardiovascular health. Turnips possess great anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of large amounts of vitamin K. These help in preventing heart attacks, heart strokes, and other heart ailments. Turnip greens aid in digestion by absorbing the amount of bile, which uses up the cholesterol present in the body. This results in a reduction of cholesterol. Turnips are also excellent sources of folate. Guys, we all need more folate, especially pregnant women, which further helps to boost the cardiovascular system. Guys, it's divine healing for our bones. Turnips are an important source of calcium and potassium, which are vital for healthy bone growth and maintenance. Regular consumption of turnip inhibits joint damage, risk of osteoporosis, and incidence of rheumatoid arthritis. It's an excellent source of calcium and mineral that supports the body's production of connective tissues. Guys, why are we suffering from all these ailments when we can just get our turnip juice on? I'm telling you. The carcinogens present in cigarette smoke causes a vitamin A deficiency, resulting in lung inflammation, emphysema, and other lung problems. The vitamin A contained in turnip greens is simply astronomical, and it helps in maintaining healthy lungs by counteracting this defect. It aids in digestion. The high amount of fiber content in turnip greens, we need to include these greens in our salad, guys, supports the body's digestive system. Research has proved that the glucosinolates may help the stomach process bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, guys. We all need some of this because this is really going to help increase the good bifidobacteria in the gut. Too many free radicals in the body cause oxidation of bad cholesterol and clumping of platelets in our body, thus leading to arteriosclerosis, a condition that damages the blood vessels. Vitamin E and C and beta-carotene in turnip roots and greens are an excellent antioxidants that fight free radicals in the body. Thus, regular consumption of the turnip juice helps to prevent development and progression of this condition. It's wonderful for all of the ailments that we have going in our body, guys. The curative power of the turnip is beneficial in preventing several common illnesses such as lack of hunger and hemorrhoids. Regular consumption of the turnip can even cure kidney stones if the stone is small enough. It's very, very good for weight loss. Turnips are low in calories and hence can form part of an effective weight loss program. It's divine at regulating the metabolism, guys, which helps to control body weight and supports healthy, active colons. It's very, very healing to asthma conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of turnip can be attributed to their high content of vitamin C. You know, our body doesn't naturally produce vitamin C, and we're certainly not getting it from all of these supplements that are not absorbed in our system. You know, our liver's our regulator for all of our other organs, and most of the time people aren't absorbing these divine nutrients because they've got a toxic liver. So you need to go back to my beet video and learn to detoxify your liver, and then get your juice on with things like the turnip, because I'm telling you, it is divine healing for the body in every single way. The properties that the antioxidants contain in the turnip, these are effective at helping to eliminate asthma and curbing the symptoms of asthma. Guys, turnip juice plays an important role in the proper functioning of the body's immune system. Why? Because it's an immune stimulant. The beta-carotene content in turnips is simply astronomical, and this helps the body in producing healthy membranes. Very, very good for our eyes. Turnip greens are a rich source of lutein, a carotenoid that promotes healthy eye and prevents ocular diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Turnips are rich in antioxidants including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, manganese, beta-carotene, glucosinolates, guys, free radical scavenger. These roots are particularly rich in vitamin C, whereas the leafy greens are full of these antioxidants. We need to get the leafy greens. They contain complex phytonutrients which stimulate antioxidant activity, thus increasing their ability to combat free radicals and prevent DNA damage to the cells. It brightens our skin. Frequent intake of turnip juice helps to brighten your skin and help to provide smooth, supple skin. Healthy, radiant skin, guys, with the turnip juice. Loaded with minerals like copper that are vital for maintaining healthy skin. External use of the turnip juice helps in treatment of torn feet. For this purpose, you can take about 12 turnips along with their leaves and boil them in water before going to bed. Soak your feet in this boiled water along with the turnips for 10 minutes and also rub some of the turnips over the torn skin of your feet. Doing this regularly for 3 days will make your feet soft and repair your skin. Turnip leaves will help to eliminate wrinkles on the feet. Guys, I'll give you a tip on that because the instructions on this say to boil the turnip, but what you need to do is you need to juice it and not boil the nutrients out, although you can do that. Then there's many instructions on that, which is effective too, and people find healing in that. But I'm telling you to juice just a little bit of it, include it in a foot soak, and then soak your feet that way. It's divine healing for our feet. Loaded with anti-aging benefits. As stated earlier, turnips are an excellent source of antioxidant vitamin C. This helps eliminate free radicals, which are responsible for causing skin aging. Thus, it helps to keep skin from aging, like spots, wrinkles, fine lines. It helps to keep all those in bay, guys. It promotes healthy hair. Regular consumption of turnip juice improves the hair health of the color of the hair. They're a good source of copper, which is involved in melanin formation. Melanin is a pigment that provides color to your hair. They're also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, which help maintain healthy hair. I'm telling you, let me tell you some of what it's got in it. Vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, B6, B2, folate, as well as minerals like manganese, fiber, potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium, copper. It's also a good source of phosphorus, and omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. Guys, it is loaded. I'm telling you, you need to get your turnip juice on right away. I'm telling you, divine healing for the body. Start juicing this right away. Now, let me give you some recipes of some things that you can juice it with, because we need to start juicing it right away. Guys, it tastes divine healing with the apple. I love to combine it with my specialty, which is apple, carrot, lemon, ginger, beet, and then throw in a few pieces of the turnip. But it blends really well with carrots, with Granny Smith apples. Guys, it blends really well with the fennel too, and fennel helps with gas and bloating. It blends well with cucumber too. So just get your juice on however you want to with it. It's going to be divine healing for the body. Of course, we're not combining with a lot of fruits. Besides, the only exception to this is the Granny Smith apple. That's about the only exception. But combine it with a few apples. Always throw in a little sliver of ginger, turmeric, and and of course the sunshine lemon, because the sunshine lemon alkalizes the system, and it helps the other nutrients become absorbed. Guys, get your juice on with the turnip juice right away. I'm telling you, divine healing for your body. Peace, love, positive vibrations. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks a lot. Thanks for listening.